Confirmation dialogues are not optional. They are essential. An agent that silently modifies data without asking is dangerous. Always require confirmation for any action that changes data. Rate limits are your second safety layer. Even if someone tries to abuse the agent with a command like assign this technician to all 200 open work orders, the rate limit slows it down and gives you time to intervene. System instructions are your training manual for the AI. The more specific you are, the more predictable the agent becomes. Vague instructions like consider the technician's workload produce vague behavior. Specific instructions like if the technician has more than 8 active jobs, warn the user that they may be overloaded, produce specific, predictable behavior. Spend time writing good instructions. It's the difference between a reliable agent and an unpredictable one. The agent's logic has 2 paths. For queries, it's fast. Interpret the question, query the ontology, and return the answer. For actions, there's an extra step, the confirmation gate. The agent interprets the request, gathers context, represents a confirmation dialog, waits for approval, then executes. That confirmation gate is where you stay in control. The agent never acts without your approval.